In a more extreme case, right, we've actually had a student come to us. Her math anxiety was even during the class. We had her, then she was actually trembling.
Wow.
Trembling, like how to do this, tremble.
Today we have an amazing guest, Sandra, who is the founder of Nuggets Academy, a tuition center dedicated to helping students who are struggling with learning. She has transformed the way over 300 students approach maths, focusing on those who fall behind in traditional classrooms. Her unique, personalized teaching methods not only help students overcome math anxiety, but also rebuild their confidence.
When a student struggles, they find it difficult to keep up in school. In a class of like 40, right? 35 to 40 in class, the teacher has a certain curriculum to pace, right? There will be faster students in class as well. So unfortunately, if you fall behind, you're the last like 10%, right? You don't understand then, but the teacher has to move on already. So unfortunately, then you will start feeling like, you feel less of yourself. But in a class of 15, then again, the kids who are not even motivated to begin with, they're going to be physically there. But are they listening?
Maybe
I don't think so. What is essential would be to help them enjoy learning in the first place. If they're not going to enjoy learning, they're not going to open up their mind to learning. We recently even have a kid, right? She's already coming for lessons 3 times a week because of our various programs, right?
3 times?
Yes. And then we had a PSLE booster, okay? Booster for like 12 weeks. Then she's like, can I join? We want our kids to do well. We want to provide the best for them so that they can succeed in future. But during this process, we need to not forget that their mental and emotional well-being is very important as well. The more fundamental needs would be the being seen, being heard, being in a safe environment. I was blessed, so I need to pass it on. So I want to help the other kids who struggle for whatever reasons, to let them know that, hey, we believe in you. Keep going.
What would you like to tell these parents who are in the phase of lostness? They don't know what to do about it. How can they approach this?